Hi everyone and welcome to a new vlog. So please ignore my appearance. I really need a shower. But basically yesterday I was editing this video and I was importing my pictures because I have two SD cards that I was filming my England vlog on. And then my 64GB one, which held most of my England vlog footage, broke. Like, it just broke. It crumbled apart, like something fell off it, and I was like,
maybe I can still like do it. But
it didn't work. So fun story time for you. No.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Not really. That was so annoying because now you'll only get a short vlog and most of my England trip footage is lost. So this is going to be kind of like a little bit of footage from when I was in England and then a little bit of footage from when I got back. But my next vlog will be a good one because that will be my Amsterdam vlog and I still have that footage, thank God. So yeah, if you want to watch this video anyway, keep watching. So we're in McDonald's because we went here because we're waiting for the London Dungeons thingy-mabob. So I'm really excited to do that. Vilken ska du gå för? Den? Nej, det där kommer inte gå. Peppe! Oh.
Salted heaven, winter's breathing, we go.
Oh.
Go.
Yeah. I couldn't even see it. We just went, John and Dad just had a beer, I had a hot chocolate, and now we're at Trafalgar Square, I think it's called that, and we are going to Portobello Market. I've never been there before, and Notting Hill because they've got really pretty houses. I've got a vegetable curry. It looks so good. Got this weird thing from Pret. It's an acai, granola, banana, and almond butter, and then these little things. It looks like apple and pomegranate seeds. And our flight goes in an hour. So I didn't vlog yesterday because it was our last day here, but I can explain everything later. Really tired. It's 10:35 now. We got up at like 6. Welcome to a new vlog. It is Monday today. As you can see, it says on the weather thingy thermometer, it says it is 26 degrees. I don't think it's 26 degrees, but it's definitely like 17. And we've just been out for a walk with the dogs, and I've been sunbathing today. I've not been doing any homework because I'm like taking advantage of the nice weather. So now me and Sophie are going to drive to a little lake that's near us and see if we can swim. I know it sounds crazy, but we're really hot and we're going to take the dogs with us because they got very hot on our walk as well. So it's going to be fun. I'm going to take you with me. So we're at the lake now with the dogs and they seem like they want to go home. Ellie actually jumped in the water and me and Sophie have been in the water with our legs. And it's quite cold, but it's not too cold, so we think we're gonna swim now. First day of summer / spring. Don't know what to call it because we haven't really had spring. Mother Nature just thought to skip it this year because we've been so mean to it. Go veggie. Did it. I took my first swim. We call it like a dip. I took my first dip. Not even in the sea, this is a lake. But yeah, it's I think it's the 9th of April, so this might be like my earliest dip. Yeah, I think it's the 11th actually. The elf. Oh, it's the 9th. Confusing. I made avocado sandwich with egg on. It looks amazing. It is a Tuesday today and I just got home from school. We're actually having a house viewing. Yep. I mentioned this in like maybe it was last week's vlog. I'm not sure, that Mum was thinking of moving and now I think it's gonna happen because we're having so many people come look at our house. So yeah, that's the thing. So they might come any minute now and then I'll have to like abort this mission. I just picked up my package from JUNKYARD because I'm going to be doing another collaboration with them, but this time I think I might do a lookbook. So I'm going to like haul the products for you now. I got really useful things that I've wanted to get for a while and just like amazing things. So I think I will do like a lookbook of this when I'm in Amsterdam because I'm going on Monday and it is Tuesday today. So first off, I got a jean jacket. Looks really big, but this is from JUNKYARD's own brand. It looks nice. I got it in the size small. They had extra small, but I thought because I like it to be quite oversized. Here comes the first person. I need to get going. Okay, no, that wasn't the first person. Okay, I like it, yeah. Ooh, I really like it. The only thing I'm unsure about is the buttons, which are rose gold or like coppery bronze. I think this could be cute and cool. I'm so excited to style this. I'll probably style it with these trousers that I'm wearing right now. Exciting. Oh yes. Then I got these Obey trousers in taupe and they look super cool on the picture. Like, so cool. I'll show you, I'll insert a picture of them here. But this is how they look. I got them in a size 26. Hopefully they'll fit. And they're like wide at the leg. So I got those. They're like nothing I have. Super excited about that. Oh yes. And then I got some more of these K-Girlfriend jeans in size 25 because that's what I have in my black jeans that I've been wearing all the time. I also have those in a size 25. They are very snug. Maybe I should get 26. I'm not sure, but they always like, you know, they get bigger once you wear them. So these are also from JUNKYARD's own brand, which is KXX. The quality on these is like so good, it's amazing. So yeah, I really love their jeans and trousers. So nice, and I've always wanted a pair of white denim jeans. They're really good length for me as well, and I'm only 159 centimeters or something like that. And then I got a workout top from Nike because I thought this would be really cute to have at the gym. Oh, it's not the material that I thought it would be. This one's like cottony, so it's not like workish outy. Oh, there's people looking at the house now, driving by. It looks like this. That's so cute. Okay, I'll come back to you guys later. That people are coming now. Okay, bye guys. Panicking. As I said in the beginning of this video, my SD card broke, so I haven't finished this vlog, but I'm just going to finish it here because I don't have any more footage to add. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, here are the shout outs for today's video. Also follow me on my socials to stay updated with what I'm doing whenever I'm not uploading. I love you all so much. Bye.
I'm a lonely soldier.